Hey, I'm Matt. Today's recipe are these vegan red lentil bites. Red lentils contain over 25% plant protein, so they're great for building muscle. Soak the lentils for 2 hours, or just boil for 5 minutes. And then either way, drain, and then rinse the lentils. Now to a food processor, add the lentils, the breadcrumbs, and half a chopped onion. And then add these seasonings: sesame seeds, garlic, chili flakes, dried herbs, paprika, salt, pepper, and turmeric. Now we process the mixture until everything is combined. It will take around 30 seconds for everything to come together like this. Now take a scoop of the mixture and then use your hands to form it into a patty. Place on a plate, repeating with all of the mixture. And then place in the fridge for 30 minutes to become more firm. I also made this recipe last night and oven baked them. You could also air fry them, but today I'm pan frying them in a little bit of oil until golden brown on both sides. Serve the red lentil patties hot with some sauce. I hope you enjoyed my video. My subscriber count keeps going up, so thanks to my new subscribers. I've got more vegan recipe videos here.